In this brand new InShot video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to blur a face. Tap Video, tap New, and find the clip that you want to use. You can long press and hold on a clip to preview it before you add it to a project. Tap on Select and tap the check mark. There are two ways to access what you need to blur a face. The first is if you tap on stickers and then tap on detail, you can do it here, or you can tap on the T for text, and you have all of the same options available on this panel. To blur a face, you want to tap on detail. When the panel comes up, the first thing you should do is change the shape of your blur. So you can select that here. The blur has now become a circular shape. Next, go down here and select the effect that you want. Make sure the blur is at 100% and that it covers the entire face. Once you've got the blur applied to your face, you need to track it so that the face stays blurred for the duration of the video. Tap the check mark, tap on the end of the detail layer, and tap Video End. With your detail layer still selected, swipe over and find the track icon. Be sure that the first option is selected and tap on Start Tracking. Because this was a short clip, the process didn't take very long. Once the screen returns to looking like this, you can tap on the X to close the tracking panel, tap on the check mark, and now you're back at the main timeline. Let's see what tracking did. Tracking followed the face and stayed with it. The tracking is pretty good, as long as the subject's face remains visible to the software. When you're done, go ahead and export the clip. Tap the share icon, adjust the settings, and tap Save. You will find the exported video in your camera roll.